Everyday English Essentials.
Hello and welcome back to Everyday English Essentials. In today's lesson, we'll learn about common household items and furniture. You'll hear explanations and example conversations to help you use these words in daily life. Let's get started. A house consists of many rooms, each serving a specific purpose: relaxation, work, cooking, or socializing. Knowing the common rooms and the items found in them will help you describe your home and daily activities effectively. In this video, we'll explore 10 most commonly used rooms in a house and their essential items. Please come in. First, we have the living room, a central area for relaxation and social gatherings. Next is the kitchen, where delicious meals are prepared. Moving on, the bedroom serves as a cozy space for rest and sleep, while the bathroom provides a private area for hygiene and self-care. Additionally, the dining room is where meals are shared with family and friends, fostering connection. For those who work or study at home, the home office or study room offers a quiet space for productivity. Meanwhile, the laundry room is designated for washing, drying, and folding clothes. The hallway or corridor acts as a space that links different rooms, ensuring smooth movement throughout the house. The garage is a practical area for parking vehicles and storing equipment. And the balcony offers a relaxing outdoor space. Now, let's dive into each room and explore the key household items inside. Number 1. Living room items.
The living room is where people relax, watch TV, and spend time with family. Some common items in the living room include a sofa, coffee table, television, and bookshelf.
Your living room looks so cozy. I love your sofa.
Thanks, Julia. It's very comfortable. I usually sit here to watch TV in the evening.
That's nice. Do you also read books here?
Yes. I have a bookshelf next to the window with all my favorite books.
That sounds wonderful. Your bookshelf looks so neat.
Thanks. I love reading, so I always keep my books organized.
It feels so warm and welcoming here.
I'm glad you think so. We spend a lot of time here together as a family.
Wow, Chris, your new place looks amazing. The living room is so spacious.
Thanks, Jane. That's actually why I moved. I needed more space.
Yeah, it feels so open and cozy. I love the big windows.
Me too. They bring in so much natural light. It makes the whole place feel brighter.
Yeah, and the sofa looks super comfy.
It is. Perfect for relaxing after a long day. Anyway, want something to drink?
Sure, a glass of water would be great.
Coming right up. Make yourself at home.
Now, let's move to another important room in the house, the kitchen.
The kitchen is where we cook and prepare food. Some common kitchen items include a refrigerator, stove, microwave, and sink.
Hey Sophie, do you need a hand? Your kitchen is so neat.
Thanks, Helen. Can you help me wash the vegetables, then put them in the refrigerator?
Of course. Oh, and let me heat up some soup in the microwave.
Great, let's cook some pasta on the stove while we wait.
Good idea. I'll wash the vegetables in the sink first.
Wow, the new refrigerator looks amazing. It's so big.
Yeah, I love it. The shelves are adjustable, and there's even a special compartment for fruits and vegetables.
What about the new stove? Have you tried it yet?
It heats up super fast, and the burners are really powerful.
That's amazing. Cooking is going to be so much easier now.
Yep, and we've got everything we need. Pots, pans, utensils, and even a brand new cutting board. Let's celebrate by cooking something delicious tonight.
Let's do it.
Now, let's go to a place where we rest. The bedroom.
Wow, your room is so neat and cozy. I love the warm lighting.
Thanks. I like to keep things organized. It helps me relax.
Where did you get this bedside lamp? It fits the room perfectly.
Oh, I bought it online. I wanted something simple but with a warm glow.
It looks great, and your bed looks so comfortable. Do you read before sleeping?
Yeah, I do. I think reading helps me sleep better.
That sounds nice. I should try that too.
Emily, I've finished cleaning your bedroom.
Oh, thank you. You always do such a great job.
Oh, did you notice? I changed the bed sheets today.
Really? They feel so soft. And they smell nice too. What detergent did you use?
Just the lavender scented one. I thought it would make the room feel cozier.
Good choice. It's really relaxing.
Oh, and I also organized your closet to make it easier for you to find your clothes. By the way, the curtains are clean now too.
That's awesome. I didn't realize how much dust they had collected. It makes a big difference. The whole room feels fresher.
Everything is more organized now.
Thanks so much. The bedroom feels really relaxing now.
No problem. If you'd like, I can also bring in some scented candles next time to add to the atmosphere.
Sounds great. Let's do that.
Next, let's talk about bathroom. The bathroom is where we take a shower and get ready for the day. Common bathroom items include a sink, shower, mirror, and towel.
Honey, do you know where the tea bags are? I can't find them in the kitchen.
They're in the second cabinet, next to the coffee jar.
Oh, got it. Thanks. By the way, do you need any help in here?
Actually, yes. Can you grab me a fresh towel from the closet?
Of course. 1 second.
Thanks, love. You're the best.
Ben, are you having fun?
Yes, Mom. I even have my rubber ducky.
Just don't splash water everywhere, okay? I just finished cleaning the shower area.
Okay. Mom, can I bring in more toys?
Just one more, alright? Oh, by the way, I need to start the washing machine. I'm coming in for a second.
Okay. But don't step on my boat.
Don't worry, I won't. Do you have any dirty clothes? I can add them to the wash.
Yes, Mom. Over there, near the toilet.
Alright, I got it. And don't stay in the water too long, okay?
Yes, Mom. I'll play for just 3 more minutes.
Good. I'll go cook now.
Let's talk about the dining room, where loved ones gather to eat, celebrate, and connect.
Babe, dinner is almost ready.
Oh, okay. Just a few more minutes. I need to finish this email.
You always say that. If you don't stop now, the food will get cold.
All right. I'll wrap it up.
Good. Can you clear some space on the table? I'm bringing the food out.
Got it. Do you need help with anything else?
You call the kids down to wash their hands and get ready for dinner.
Done. And by the way, it smells amazing in here.
Of course. Now hurry up. I hope everyone's hungry. I made plenty of food.
We always are. Thank you for all these delicious meals.
Amanda. Dinner must be perfect tonight. Our guests will arrive soon. Help me set the table properly.
Of course, ma'am. The plates go in the center, forks on the left, and knives on the right. Where would you like the napkins?
Fold them neatly and place them beside the plates. And make sure the glasses are positioned just above the spoons.
Understood. Shall I light more candles as well?
Yes, that would be lovely. Oh, and bring the fresh salad from the kitchen. It's in the refrigerator.
Right away. By the way, the new tablecloth looks absolutely stunning. The colors match the room perfectly.
I'm glad you noticed. I had it arranged specially for tonight.
Next, let's talk about the workspace and study area, a space that is also important in the home.
Ethan, do we need anything else for the home office?
Yeah, I was just making a list. We should get another desk, a storage shelf, some notebooks, a printer, and white paper.
That sounds good. Anything else?
Maybe a better office chair? This one isn't the most comfortable.
Good idea. Let's make sure we have everything we need to work efficiently. By the way, do you have a notebook? I need to take some notes.
Yeah, there's an extra one on the drawer. Are you getting ready for your big presentation?
Yep, next Monday. I want everything to be perfect.
Moving forward, let's talk about the laundry room, where clothes are cleaned and kept fresh for daily use.
Ryan, can you help me load the washing machine?
Sure. Do we separate whites and colors?
Yes. Whites go in first, and don't forget to add detergent from the shelf.
Alright. Oh no, I think I left a tissue in my pocket.
Check before you start. Otherwise, everything will be covered in little pieces of tissue.
Okay, everything's set. Do you want to do a quick cleanup while we wait?
Good idea. Let's organize the laundry baskets.
Turning to the garage, it's not just for parking, but also for storage, repairs, and organizing tools.
Hey, Emily, can you grab the cleaning cloth from the workbench?
Sure. Are we just wiping the car, or do you need help with anything else?
I also want to vacuum the seats and check the tire pressure. Can you bring the air pump from the tool shelf?
Got it. Oh, and should we organize the stuff on the storage rack? There's a lot of old car parts here.
Let's sort everything into 3 piles: keep, donate, and toss.
Good idea. This garage will look much better when we're done.
By the way, I think we're running low on car wax. Should we pick some up this weekend?
Yeah, and maybe some new air fresheners too. The car could use a little refresh.
Agreed. Alright, let's finish up here and head inside for a break.
Next is garden and balcony. The outdoor spaces.
It's such a nice day. The breeze is perfect, and the sunlight isn't too harsh.
Yeah, the weather is really nice. I like houses with balconies and outdoor furniture like this.
You really enjoy that game? It must be fun.
Yeah, I usually chill on my balcony, play games, or enjoy the flowers. Oh no, I just lost.
Just take a break. Maybe the fresh air will help you clear your mind.
You might be right. What are you reading, by the way?
Just a novel. It's a mystery story. Pretty exciting so far.
Sounds interesting. Can I borrow it when you're done?
Of course. I'll give it to you as soon as I finish.
Today, we covered essential household items and furniture in various rooms. Knowing these words will help you confidently talk about your home in English. Keep practicing by describing your own home using these words. And thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.